Global journalist Denise Valdesancho reports.
For Ronel Ankita, this year's Tour of Luzon was the product of years of sacrifice. From international races in India back in January to non-stop training leading up to the tour, preparations never stopped.
Una po yan, nag-India po kami, January, tsaka nag-ensayo na tuloy-tuloy na po yan hanggang Tour of Luzon po.
The hard work paid off. At 31 years old, the Tarlac native emerged as one of the strongest Filipino riders in the tour, finishing 5th in the general classification against a stacked international field.
Sobrang saya po ma'am kasi ngayon lang ako nag-top 5 sa ganitong mga laro.
One of his most memorable moments came during Stage 9 from Luwag City to Condon City, where he finished 4th in the stage individual classification and claimed the Most Combative Rider award. But for Kita, it was also a stage of what-ifs.
Mag-stage win po sana kaso naligaw po ma'am.
Despite the misstep, Kita says the experience taught him important lessons, especially racing alongside World Tour level athletes.
Yung communication sa mga ka-team ma'am, tsaka madami akong natutunan kasi may World Tour po kaming kasama.
With Kita helping lead the way, 7-Eleven Click Road Bike Philippines eventually captured the team classification title and the 2 million top prize of the 2026 MPTC Tour of Luzon. Now, the team shifts its focus to its next international challenge, the Tour of the Gyeongnam in Korea this June.
Huwag niyong pabayaan na ma'am. Saka sa mga pamilya ko po, maraming sa suporta sa akin ma'am.